together as one. There are people dying.
Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can't go on pretending day by day.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Okay, ladies, females, gender, this video is for you. I made it especially for you because due to public demand I decided to do it. And I didn't say that this video is only for ladies, but in case you're a man, you can still, or you can help your girlfriends, you can help your sister, you know, with the tips from the video, and we go forward. Okay. So today guys, I'm going to teach you all, I'm going to tell you tips on how or what to expect when you are on your periods. Remember, I showed you previously through my previous video. If you haven't checked it out, guys, kindly go and check out so that you can know what I'm talking about. I showed you how to know if your period is irregular or regular, but today I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you guys, in case you have the regular or irregular period, what are you expected to do, or what are you expected to have. Okay, before we get started, kindly hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and let's get to the video. Guys, have you ever thought of you are in a certain place, or you are in a congregation of so many people, and your period comes, you know, and in your bags or in your punch you don't have any pad, or you don't have anything? So I know, right? I know it feels so shy to tell someone, you know, I need a pad, or my period has just started. So here is the way to go. If you ever find yourself in that situation, kindly, this is for free guys, I'm telling you for free, tell that someone that Japan is under attack, and I'll tell you if they can help you or not. But as a lady, it's good to take precaution, because we're expecting this period issue after every end of month. So I advise you to carry your periods ready. And in with me, I have my first aid. No, I will not say it first aid, but I'll call it Japan kit. Yes, when I say Japan kit, oh my god guys, you understand what I mean. This is the kit I'm talking about. This is a punch I'm talking about. Inside this bag, or a small bag, there's things that I need to have when I have my periods. And if it's your first time guys, don't worry, because I got everything in this video. It's going to show you how you can do it, how you can overcome your fears, you can overcome your pains, you know. Yes. So guys, I know talking about periods, it's a taboo. Like, you even feel ashamed when you tell someone like, I have periods. Yeah. And when you have periods, you hide your pad. Yeah, the first thing you have to have is this pad. You hide your pad like this, you know. You're like going hiding to go to the washroom, you know. But why don't we ladies come out and embrace, you know, this is something that we're having, this is something that it's in us, and it can never go away until menopause. Yes, until menopause. So why don't we like embrace what we have, you know. And for the men, please don't judge us, don't judge someone when you see them like the Japan under attack, you then start laughing. No, it's normal, it's quite white normal. So me saying that you should carry your pads like this, it doesn't mean like, I didn't say like if you have your period you should go announcing to everyone like, oh my god guys, I just got my periods, guys, I just got no girls, no ladies, no women, just hide it, like go decently, don't fear anything. No, it being a taboo, it's something that we're carrying, it's something that we're having, okay? So just embrace with love, because when you don't have the periods, oh my god guys, you'll be stressed up, you'll get stressed up because I want periods, and you'll be like, what's not happening? Am I pregnant? What's wrong with my body? What's you know? And I showed you on my previous video, guys. If you haven't checked out, oh god, kindly go and check and see what I'm talking about. If maybe you can skip your periods because you've not realized that your period is regular or your period is irregular, because first of all you have to know your cycle, you have to know if your period is regular, if your period is irregular, and then you now manage yourself, you now carry yourself with, you know what you're expecting. Okay, so take your period, take your pad. This is the first kit, the first thing for you to have is the pad. Okay, yes, on my next video guys, I'm going to show you how, this for the learners, right? I'm going to show you how you use your pad. Yes, I'm going to do that because I adore you so much, guys. Okay, yeah, this at least, if in case if you even don't have a period, you should carry this as a lady, just in case of an emergency. What am I talking about? The Japan attack. Okay, yes. So the next thing for you to have, it's tissue, all these wipes. Yes, you should carry your things like this, like, you know, you can go to the washroom and find out tissue measure, the TP is done. So what will you do? And you need to use the pad. You are in a mess, so just carry your TP or your wipes, or yeah, and it's going to help. It's for free, guys. It's going to help. The next thing for you to have is it's this one, Panadol, like paracetamol. Why? Because if you're having periods, most especially when you feel like periods are coming out, there's cramps. Oh my god, it's so painful as a lady. So you should carry one. Don't go rushing to ask for in a shop and you're not near a place where you can buy it. I'd advise you guys to carry it, and yeah, it's going to help you out. Okay, yes. The next thing, guys, you're going to should have is wipes. Yes, white wipes. Yes. Oh, you're asking why you should have wipes? It's because this thing is so yuck, it's so sticky. Girls, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, the period cream, it's so sticky, and you don't want to go out smelling like, oh no, you don't want to go out smelling so bad. So it's good thing like you have your wipes. I usually have this small, I don't carry it like a large. I have the large one, but I can't find it in the house. Just for this video, I'm just showing you this one. So the next thing is lip balm. I don't know if for your case, when you have periods, lips get dry, so dry, like, I don't know if that's still the pain or what. To avoid any kind of being noticed like your heart so dry, just use the lip balm, guys, lip balm, and it's going to help you. The next thing you should have is it's Vaseline, guys. To after you've washed, you can apply your Vaseline and be clean. Okay, guys? Yes. Oh my god, I also have toothbrush. I don't know it's for what, but yes, it can help, because you might find that this is not only for periods, but for the ladies, you should always carry your toothbrush, because you can be told come somewhere and you don't have any toothbrush, so just have to use this. I've not opened mine yet, it's new, so yeah. Yes, that's all I have for you today, and this is my emergency kit for periods for the Japan under attack. Yes, that's all I'm going to have to share with you today. Yeah, for more videos, kindly hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to shoot more and going to share more of the hygiene of the periods, of how to use your pad, okay. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for returning subscribers. Kindly, I love you so much. And in case you've not subscribed, guys, I'm going to just request you to subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Ciao.